Good morning, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open lesson who will be the Ningdo on page number 167. So, dear children, do you know what is the meaning of Ningdo? So, Ningdo means a king. Okay, so who will be the Ningdo means who will be the king. Okay, who will be the future king. So, this is the story from Manipur. Okay, so dear children, first of all, just look at this map. Okay, I will show you the map. This is the Indian map. Okay, now you can locate the Manipur in the map. Okay, you can see the Manipur here. See the in blue ink. Yes. You can see the Manipur with the blue ink. Yes. Now your right side you can see the Manipur map. Okay. Now you will ask that why I am showing you the maps of India and Manipur. Okay. Because the story we are going to read, okay, is from the Manipur. Okay, and it is the folk tale of Manipur. So in Manipuri only we call a king a Ningdo. Okay, now let's take a look on the story. Okay, so actually in Manipur the Ningdo means the king. Okay, so the king is called the Ningdo and queen is called the Lima. Okay, queen is called the Lima in Manipuri language. Okay, and this is the story of Manipur where about what qualities make a good ruler. Okay, the story is about the what qualities make a good ruler. Okay, now let me first introduce the characters in this story. Okay, first of all you can see in this picture, just look at carefully in this picture. You will see the Ningdo means king. Okay, the Lima means queen. Okay, and this king and queen has three sons. Okay, you can see in this picture they have three sons, that is Sanajoaba, Saniama, Sanatoba. Okay, and they have one daughter also. Okay, her name is Sanatombi. Okay, so these are the characters in the story. Now let's see what happened in this story next. So long ago, in the land of Kanglipak in Manipur, there lived a Ningdo and Lima. Okay, they were loved dearly by the people. They, on their part, never stopped thinking about their Miam, that means their people. Okay, so this is the story of Kanglipak in the Manipur. They lived the two king and queen. You can see the king here and the queen here, and they used to say that because they were so kind and they were so sweet hearted. Okay, so they used to say that our Miam should be happy. Okay, and everybody in Kanglipak should live in peace, not only the people but the birds, animals, and trees too. Okay, that means the king and the queen, that is, the both are so kind and so sweet, and they always think about their Miam. Miam means the people. Okay, and they not only take care of the human beings, they not only loved the human beings, but also they just take care the birds, animals, and trees also. Okay, so they have Ningdo and Lima had three sons. Okay, that is Sanajoaba, Saniama, Sanatomba, and one daughter they have, Sanatombi. Okay, so Sanatombi, she was a lovely child and very gentle and loving. Okay, so let's see what happened next now. So as you know that the long ago in the land of Kanglikpak in Manipur, there lived a Ningdo and a Lima. Okay, they were loved dearly by the people, and Ningdo and Lima, on their part, never stop thinking about their Miam. Miam means their people. Okay, our Miam should be happy, they said. What they said? They always said that our Miam, our people, should be happy always. The people were not the only ones who loved their Ningdo and Lima. The birds and animals too loved them. Okay, and the Nimdo and the Lima always said that everybody in Kanglipak should live in a peace. Okay, and not only the people but the birds, animals, and trees also, they should live in a peace. Okay, then their beloved king and queen had three sons. Okay, that means their beloved, that means Miam's, the people's beloved king, okay, had three sons. The named Sanajoaba, Saniyama, Sanatomba, and they have one daughter also. They had one daughter also. Okay, the 12 years later, a daughter was born. Okay, she was named Sanatombi. Okay, she was named as a Sanatombi. She was a lovely child, soft and beautiful inside. Okay, she was loved by one and all, and she is very you can see the beautiful hearted people, a hearted girl. Okay, she loves everyone. Okay, she takes care of everyone, including you can see the animals and birds, okay, and trees also. Okay, and the years went by and the children grew up well. Okay, then what happened next? Years went by. After few years, and the children grew up well. Okay, and then one day Ningdo called his minister and said, okay, what happened one day? Just that king called his minister and said, it is now time to decide the Tungi Ningdo, the future kings. Okay, it is now time to decide the Tungi Ningdo, the future kings. Okay, the minister was shocked. Okay, after hearing this, that king is saying that we have to choose our future kings. So minister was shocked. But oh Ningdo, that means he is saying that, oh king, what is there is to decide? The Sanjoaba, your eldest son will be our future king. So in olden days, what happened? It is used to be the method of selecting king. Okay, that the elder son will become the next king. Okay, but from now onwards, the king was not ready to do this, not ready to follow this, you can say, the custom. Okay, he just wanted to select a future king. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you the remaining story. Okay, I hope you understand this story. If you have any problem regarding to this story, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.